First game of the night. Come on. A jobless life. That sounds amazing. Oh, I'm going first. We're doing it on Omega. I'm back with another ranked match. Win or lose, I post. If you're new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, be in a video, or want to see the deck list. What the heck? Oh, look at that. You can kind of like... It's not hard to set anymore. Did they fix it? See the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's link it to the brains. Round 1. Dude! That's it? That is it, eh? Well, I think I will do this because I can't summon after that. Wow. Scarlet. Eldritch. How's he gonna chill him up? Okay. Why would you do that? And you're on YouTube. My voice chat is still here. Hey, you got voice chat? Oh. Okay, that's okay. The multi-dimensional KAIJU Radiant. Damn it. Should have waited for his end phase. I keep doing that. That's okay. That's okay. Man, I really gotta check the phases. Voice chat? No, he didn't even attack. What? Okay. I'll turn this voice off so it doesn't hear me. What the? So this is a KAIJU deck? I could pop both of them if I want. He's gonna draw 2 cards though. He's gonna draw 2. I think that's game. That could be game right here. Crystal Blood. Game for me. How did I lose so much life points? What the fuck? Golden Lord? No. Golden Lord. Send. Target and send. ZOOLICH, Send so I could attack with the Radiant. Add special summon zombie monster, which is himself. Gains 1,000, cannot be destroyed. On my opponent's card effects till the end of his turn. I'm going to dump a Pharaoh. No. Ooh. Actually gonna activate. Since I controlled an Eldritch when calling Kisudor, a special summon, I get the top. Face up card on the field. KAIJU capture mission is destroyed in his possession. And now he's gonna draw 2 cards. You can draw 2 cards. That's... What if I go like this? It does not negate it, right? No. Yeah, this doesn't negate. Fuck sakes. Tribute summon for Nibiru, the primal being. Flip. That should be game right here. Battle. Radiant. Radiant. Direct. Nib direct. And then Eldritch direct. Finish it. Let's do this. I'll just do the usual. Let's go. Wait. Oh, yeah, let's go. One more time. I was gonna type Dragoon time. Woohoo! Making me go first because it's KAIJU's. Son of a. No, well. He's gonna have to try to OTK me. What happened if he. I'll just end my turn. I'm risking that one, that's a big risk. If he OTKs me or sets up a good board, then Beat time's out. Awesome. $39, 30 seconds, let's go. Let's get this win. Let's get this win. Come on. Easy win right here. Timeout. Unfortunate, but it is what it is. Let's get that win. Let's do wins from timeout. Okay, where were we? Okay, I was 1268, 1278, so I went up by 10. And I didn't get anything, I was still at 103. And that's it. Comment, share, like, and sub it, if you liked it. See you guys.